video with the surprise. Got a boat. Got a big boat.
Yeah.
Got ourselves an 18-foot kingfisher. So that's gonna open up a lot of opportunities. But today we are fishing Mabel Lake for salmon. There's a small opening for salmon on this lake if there's enough fish. And allegedly there's enough for it to be open until the 12th of September, which is this coming Friday. So this will be the last chance we have at this lake, so we're doing it. Dave's into little fish. Not even that little, bud.
Oh, it's alright, bud. Little flatfish special. Oh, feisty. Feisty guy.
Alright. Let him go.
Let him go. See you, bud.
Oh,
Oh, he's back in.
he's back in.
Oh, no.
Double release. Double release.
Oh, there he goes, bud. Woo! Oh, man, Sean's on.
Can't tell. Am I just pulling the big... What? You definitely popped down there.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, I think this is just
Plug?
Nope.
Nah! Fish on steroids! We got some weird field of footage, bud.
It's something heavy, bud. This might be a salmon. It just might be a small one.
Salmon's a salmon, guy. I'll take a salmon. That's fine.
This is gonna be the first big fish in the boat.
Yeah. Maybe we'll just take a quick second here. What's going on here? Salmon potentially on.
It's not fighting very hard, though.
No?
I'm gonna think lake trout or something.
Laker.
Maybe a bull. I've never caught a bull trout, so.
Alright. Only time will tell here. Either way, it's not a tiny fish. Because they hit a plug that was like 5 inches long at least. Oh man! Oh! Oh man! What?
Might be a Chinook, bud.
Oh! Man!
This is insane.
Oh man!
It's big, buddy.
It's huge, man! Look at the size of it! It is not stoked on being caught. Oh man! Oh, so close! Oh my god! Man! Sean! Oh, this is so intense! How's the boat doing? No, we're okay. He's close.
This is so cool.
That's so big!
Oh, it's barely hooked. Get down!
Yeah! Holy shit!
Look at it, it's barely hooked. Oh, it's out. It's out. Is it? Watch that. Oh, no. Yeah, it's out. Holy shit. We got it, shook. Okay, I want to release this, so let's get it back in the... Holy shit. There it goes.
Holy shit!
What? Yeah. Oh my god, we got one. We got one.
Oh, that was so intense!
Oh,
Holy shit!
yes.
What?
Woo. That was a big fish.
That was intense.
Man, that'd be like
shaking.
Good thing we're not in the 12-foot, bud.
Yeah, it's way less sketchy.
All right, we're done for the day. We're packed up.
We made it.
Mission accomplished.
Yeah, caught some fish.
Caught some fish. Yeah, Dave got a rainbow, so he didn't get skunked. I was thinking I was gonna get skunked.
Wasn't looking good for either of
No,
us.
but boom, salmon.
Salmon.
Yeah.
Huge salmon.
We have no idea what we're doing, but it worked.
We know exactly what we're doing because we caught salmon.
So yeah, that was fun. But that'll be the only lake salmon fishing we get to do this year. And the next video Maybe we'll make it out on Cal or Okanagan going for some stuff, but next video will probably be our salmon trip when we're fishing for salmon in the river. Yeah.
Salmon and more salmon.
Just salmon. Yeah, and just salmon for the next
Stay
couple videos.
tuned for more salmon.
There, you heard Dave. Till next time.